All right, traders, how's everybody doing? Welcome back to another week. We are going to be reviewing the market, guys. This week is going to be explosive. Be careful, please be careful on the market. I'm going to teach you guys what Euro USD is going to be doing this coming week. I'm going to be teaching you real data, so bear with me. Stay to the end because the last pair that I'm going to show you, it will blow your mind. The next pair that I'm going to give you guys, I'm going to give you gold. I'm going to tell you exactly why gold is going up and so forth. So I told you last week the market was going to be in a bearish, then the market was going to continue as a buy. I told you. The next pair that I'm going to give you for the very first time ever, guys, is going to be NAS 100. I'm going to tell you exactly why the market is doing what it's doing. All right, so bear with me, guys. In this video, we're going to dive into the world of market analysis, teaching you how to identify trend with precision, guys. If this is your first time ever being here, make sure you do subscribe and let's go. Let me show you how to identify trend in the market so you never guess again. Believe that. All right, so the very first pair that I'm gonna give you guys is going to be Euro USD. Boom, guys, this is what we're gonna be doing. Let me go over first the rules so you will not get confused. So because the goal here, I want each and every one of you to understand, because whether you are an experienced trader or just starting trading, this is for you guys. Understanding the market trend is essential for success, believe it or not. So the very first thing that we're gonna be doing, guys, is looking. Let me bring the epic pen because it's very important, guys. Without the epic pen, I feel like I can't do anything about it. But the very first thing that you need to pay attention on the market, guys, here using our multiple time frame, please pay attention to the dashboard. The dashboard is gonna give you the answer. I love to use 4 hours in the daily time frame. I really love to use 4 hours in a daily time frame. Why? Because those are one of the higher time frame on the market. Because if you pay attention here, look at here, market has 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly. That's what I love to use, 4 hours and daily. All right, so I just want you to understand that. Why I like to use that one, just by looking into the dashboard, guys, it gives you the exact thing that is happening in real life with the trend. So if the trend is bullish, you're gonna see it on the dashboard. All right, so now if you pay attention here, 4 hour, the daily time frame is saying that we are going where? We are going up, and the 4 hours is going down. So there is a Euro USD is confusing on the time frame. So if that means the market is doing a pullback on the 4 hours, so be careful. So the next step that you're gonna be doing, guys, is you need to identify where is your multiple time frame located with the TW sniper entry. With the TW sniper entry, you're gonna get the stairs. Look at the stairs. When the market is only going up, then that's why you get the stairs. Then boom, look at here, market is coming down. Here's the TW sniper entry. Look at the stairs. Boom, and look at it. Where is the trend going? It's only going down. Now let's go ahead and review real data, real time. Don't forget what the dashboard is telling you. The dashboard is saying the market is in a buy trend by the 4 hours all the way to 1 minute. Market is selling. So what are you gonna do in those times? Look at here. Where's the multiple time frame going? Multiple time frame is saying that we're in a buy. Where's the TW sniper entry going? Look at here. Here's the stair. 1, 2, 3. That was the market doing exactly. Except there is something going on the market, guys. Market on Friday, it gave us a retracement, a pullback coming down, saying the market is gonna be in a sell position for this coming week. I told you that I was gonna give you real data, real time. So how far is this sell gonna go? In my opinion, guys, market is still gonna be retesting this previous multiple time frame once, multiple time frame 2, multiple time frame 3, and from there we are gonna continue on this buy trend here, retesting your 38.2 Fibonacci, and then it's gonna do a pullback. That is what I think the Euro USD is going to do, guys. We cover here technical analysis too, guys, fundamental analysis, sentimental analysis, even the real life case study to help you put your knowledge into practice. So if you want me to teach you guys real knowledge, please let me know and I will be more than happy to do so. Just hit the link on the description of this video and you can get in touch with me. Okay, guys, if you are finding value so far, make sure you destroy the like and subscribe, guys. So if you haven't subscribed, so you will never ever miss any video from us. All right, so the next pair that I'm gonna give you guys is going to be one of the most tradable pair in the world, and that it is gold. Boom, guys, look at what gold is doing, guys. I told you last week, because we are using multiple times. Look at the dashboard. What is the dashboard saying? Just by looking at the dashboard, you have the answer. Look at here. Look, can't say I didn't tell you. Look, what is 4 hours and daily telling you, guys? Look at here. Just by looking that, I tell you the market is in an uptrend. It's going up. It's going bullish. It's going up. Now, this is your cheat sheet, guys. Just by looking this, you already know what the market is doing. It's telling you, hey, we're going bullish. What are you gonna do next? Now we're gonna go and see real-time, real data, because that's what we're here for. We don't care about what happens in the past. Look at what happened here, guys. What is the multiple time frame doing? Boom. What is the TW sniper entry doing? Boom. So where is the trend going? Look, you saw it in here. Where's the trend going? Boom. Trend is going exactly what the TW dashboard is doing, guys. That is phenomenal. That is freaking amazing, guys. I'm telling you, guys. Make sure you do subscribe if you haven't subscribed. It's very important, guys, so you don't ever miss any video from us. Okay, so what is my understanding for gold, guys? Gold still is still gonna go up to our previous multiple time frame one more time, all the way up, another probably couple $1,000 in there, and then from here you're gonna be getting a what do you think you're gonna be getting in here? You are gonna be getting a pullback coming down, and then boom, that sell position is gonna come between your 78 to your 61. Why? Because there is previous multiple time frame here. Then we're gonna continue on that buy trend. Overall, gold is bullish. Gold is bullish. Look at the dashboard, guys. Just by looking at the dashboard, you already know what's going on, guys. You already know what's going on, guys. Please pay attention here. There's a cap here on gold. So most likely this coming week, guys, market can drop all the way down. Guys, next week we're gonna review gold. Don't come here and tell you I didn't tell you this. Guys, make sure you do subscribe, because this video is phenomenal. A lot of people are going to be charging for what I'm telling you here, because I love to teach you what is going to happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. A lot of traders are going to be studying the back data. Oh, if you would have taken this TW sniper entry as a sell, you would have made all that money. Oh, if you would have taken this TW sniper entry going up, you would have made that money. No, man, I like to teach you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. What is going to happen on those days? That is the real data analysis, guy. I'm telling you, you're gonna be blowing forward. You're gonna be learning with me. Let's go. Guys, bear with me. I get super excited when it comes to trading. So I'm sorry if I'm yelling or you. It's just I'm super excited, guys. Guys, guess what I'm gonna do next, guys? I'm going to give you one of the most tradable pair that a lot of traders be asking me, Irving, make sure you add NAS 100, and I didn't want to do it, but here it is. Let's go. Ready? 1, 2, and boom! Look at the dashboard, guys. What is the dashboard telling you? That is the very first thing that you need to pay attention. You know what? Let me delete this this RSI that is at the bottom. Look at that, guys. What is NAS 100 doing, guys? Look at the dashboard. The dashboard is giving you the answer. Look at that. The daily time frame is saying that we are going where? We're going up. The 4 hours all the way to 1 minute is saying that we are coming down. Now, let's go ahead and review the real data, real time, because that's what we're here for. Overall, I don't care what back data is saying. Once again, guys, please If you are learning, about financing, investing in the trend and the market trend, guys, make sure you do subscribe, hit that notification bell, and so you can stay on the top of the game. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and review the real data, guys, because 4 hours is saying that we're going up. I'm sorry, it's coming down. The daily time frame saying that it's going up. So there's a confusion on the trend. But here it is. Now you are going to learn it. Look at the multiple time frame. This is phenomenal, guys. You are not gonna get this anywhere. Look at that. Boom! Multiple time frame is doing. What is the white multiple time frame doing? Boom! Look at the green multiple time frame. Boom! Look at the TW sniper entry. Boom! Look at the stair. Boom! 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 Where is the trend going, guys? Where is the trend? Boom! Market is going up. Except that on Friday, look at who showed up. TW Sniper Entry showed up in here saying that we are now officially selling for this coming week. The market is doing a pullback. How far is that pullback is gonna come, guys? It's gonna come back to your 61.8 Fibonacci, and from there we're gonna continue that bullish trend. Don't forget, what is the multiple time frame doing? Boom, boom, boom. All the indication is saying that we are going in a buy trend. However, so next week is gonna do a pullback, and then by Tuesday, Wednesday, we're gonna continue on that trend. That is a phenomenal forex trading outlook trade, whatever you want to name it, guys. Make sure you do subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't ever miss any video from us, guys. Another thing that I want to tell you guys, please, guys, pray for the world, guys. The world is suffering somehow. You know what's going on with the war and so forth. Let's keep them in our prayers, guys. I don't know, there's a lot of different cultures watching this video, but I just want to pray to God. I just want you to do it, guys. Keep your family safe, guys. Love each other. God bless you. God bless the world, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. Once again, guys, thank you for coming, and I will see you guys back on our next episode. Let's trade with Team with Urban. Boom.